Microchip is a stock on my radar. It just triggered the Slingshot Squeeze a few bars ago, and if you take a look at the squeeze, it's been building up a really nice squeeze that looks like it's likely to fire long. We're also flirting with the all-time high near 105.91. Here's how I found Microchip in the first place. It's ranked number 3 on our squeeze board, and the reason for that is the sheer amount of squeezes that we have building up. If you take a look, I have 5 different time frames loaded on: the 15-minute, the 30-minute, the 39-minute, the 1 hour, and the daily. These are the 5 that I'm looking at, but you could choose your own here if you'd like. Now from these different time frames, 4 out of the 5 of them, so the 15-minute has a squeeze, has had one for 30 bars now. The 30-minute has a squeeze and has had one for 5 bars now. The 39-minute has had a squeeze for 2 bars. The 1 hour is the one time frame without a squeeze, and the daily has had a squeeze now with the Slingshot Squeeze also firing. If we take a look on the right hand side, you'll see for the Slingshot Squeeze that just triggered, which you hover over 2 bars ago, we have the backtest stats. And if we dive deep into these backtest stats here, you'll see that the win percentage has been 90%, a little higher than that, with a positive net percentage return on this trade, positive 25%, and a positive trade expectancy of plus 2.2. If you click on this panel, we can start to see the trades and the history in a little bit more detail. And what you'll find is inside of Microchip, we've had a really nice win streak, which got busted with the most recent trade, but that trade was all the way back in 2023. So I'm ready to give this trade another go, given that we're now flirting with that new all-time high. So let's go ahead and open this up in the charts to see what Microchip looks like. I'm going to click Open in Charts here, and that's going to pull up our chart panel. Now, if we take a look at what the charts are telling us, I have the daily time frame charts loaded on, and it's easy to see that our moving averages are right now stacked. And in fact, this just looks like a pullback to the 8 and the 21 EMA lines. That's the blue and the purple lines you see. Now down here, I have the squeeze loaded on, and I have this loaded on the 39-minute, the 195, and the daily. You can choose whichever time frames you want by clicking settings here, and there you'll be able to toggle on and off the different time frames. So if you remember, we started with the 15, the 30, the 39, the 1 hour, and then I had the daily. So now if we come in and we take a look, we can see that the 15-minute has had a squeeze here for quite some time. The 30-minute has a new squeeze that's been building up. The 39-minute has a new squeeze that's been building up. The daily has that squeeze that we looked at inside of our Thinkorswim charts, is showing us a nice little buildup of energy. So all of these squeezes is what I'm looking to eventually release that energy to the long side, and that Slingshot Squeeze to be the catalyst that got this entire move started. We can see that the Slingshot Squeeze triggered on the daily bar, and we looked at the positive backtest. Now, sure, we have 11 trades here. I'd like to see a bigger sample size. If that is something that puts you off, I don't blame you. You'll find trades with a larger sample size also triggering. But for those of you that are looking for daily time frame opportunities, this is a really nice one inside of Microchip. If you'd like to learn more about the Squeeze Setups platform, be sure to check out our website or just send us an email. For all of our Volatility Box Bundle subscribers, this is included for free with your membership. We sent out an email to all of our bundle members this week. If you haven't received one yet, send us an email. We'll get you squared away and we'll get you inside of the platform. Otherwise, take care everyone, good luck trading, and we'll see you in the next update.